Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aquarius, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys, we are picking these cards. So, these are for your general energies, this is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation, guys. Aquarius, if you want more clarity in your circumstances, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading, guys, that will follow this general guidance. So let's start with these cards here. So for your general energies, we have letter, anchor, and book. So in your circumstances today, guys, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, maybe you were expecting clarity on something. Maybe there was some doubts or some kind of confusion, maybe, or you were in doubt about some decision. You need to make some important decision today in your work, maybe, or in your personal life. But you did not know what will be the right thing for you to do. So, some lack of clarity may be in your circumstances, guys. But today, Aquarius, things are clearing up. You are going to see things clearly. You will know what will be the right thing for you or what will be the right decision. So, some clarity or some knowledge you are gaining today in your circumstance. So whatever was not clear, you see it clearly today. So people may be helping you out, or your circumstance itself is giving you that clarity today, guys. And maybe you are holding greater responsibility today, maybe in your work or maybe in this relationship. You have a lot of responsibility on your shoulders, and you are really happy because you simply love to be here, love to be in this position. Maybe you are having a promotion in your job. So this position comes with a lot of responsibilities, and it is using your skills and talents. And maybe for some of you, you are happy with the way things are going today. So in this relationship, if it is something to do in your relationship, maybe you are moving towards a deeper commitment or taking that next step in this relationship. You are happy, you are celebrating some some good news. It may be in your connection. So, and also, guys, Aquarius, you are getting some important communication today. It may be from this person, it may be an email or a message. If you are in a long distance relationship, guys, maybe they are sending a message after quite some time. You have missed them, and this message is simply making you you are simply thrilled to receive this letter or email from them. For some of you, it may be a love letter in this relationship, guys. Maybe if you are open to a new connection, if you are ready for a new relationship, I see for some of you, you are getting a love letter from someone interesting today, guys. But if you are already in a connection, you are getting this message or a letter from this person just for fun. They are just sending you the letter because they want they want you to know something, and they have written something about themselves, and they want it to be more personal, so they are sending it as a letter, maybe for some of you guys. That may be the case. So we picked one card for your relationship, guys, and it is fish. So in this connection, maybe for some of you, you have or you are into some kind of an obsession, guys, maybe in this relationship. Both of you may have. Maybe you are too obsessed sending them messages or sending them emails, or some kind of an obsession. Maybe you are possessive of this person. And also, this is a very positive card. It is that one pointed focus you have on this person, and maybe this person may love all that attention and love you are showering on this person, guys. So this may be their energy towards you or your energy towards them. So for your career situation, we have child. So with this card, it looks like maybe you are into some new projects, or some opportunities are coming your way, something which may be something new for you. You have no experience, maybe for some of you. So that is what I see with these cards, guys, Aquarius. That is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, guys, please stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Aquarius. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstance, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with this first card after a few seconds. Okay, guys, so now I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this card, we have Cosmic Heart. So with this card, guys, it just means that in your circumstances today, maybe you have faced a lot of trials, a lot of difficulties, struggles, and you're trying to understand the reason for things going in a particular way, or the reason for maybe you're resisting something, resisting some changes or some circumstances. But whatever it is you do, maybe you feel really uncomfortable today, but you need to understand that life is unfolding just as it should. Maybe whether you understand it or not, whether you accept it or not. So that is the meaning with this card, guys. So in your circumstances today, you need some clarity or some kind of understanding, and you are attempting to hold on to things you don't want to lose, maybe, and you don't want to let go, and you don't want to change yourself. Maybe your circumstances are pushing you towards some changes, and you feel that you cannot handle those changes, or handle a change in your the way you are, or in your situation. So you are resisting some change happening to you or happening to your circumstances. But you need to understand that you don't need to know what is going on, guys. Maybe sometimes life will unfold some circumstances, some things we may not understand, but it will be for our own good. So universe is aligning some changes for you today in your life, guys. Maybe in your personal life, or in your career situation, whatever it is, and it is that divine destiny that is being delivered to you, whether you like it or not, or whether you understand it or not. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose the second card, we have why. So with this card, the energy is that maybe in our life, in this relationship, we often we often go through certain circumstance, we often engage in our relationships, maybe our feelings are not always logical. Maybe now you need to try to understand whether these feelings are triggered by something of the past. Maybe what is the motivation behind this behavior of yours. You need to ask yourself why you are feeling this way, or why you said certain things to this person. So you need to spend time in introspection, thinking about what needs to be done. Listen to the messages from your intuition deep down within you. What does it tell about yourself? So life is a deep understanding of our needs and how to get them, guys. So we need to uncover deep down in our heart. We will know why we are expecting certain things, or why we are behaving in such a way. So these powerful questions we can ask ourselves and our partner today. So that is going to uncover the answers. What is the true intentions we have in our situation? If it is true love we have towards this person, that is the reason for our behavior or for our words. We can go ahead. But if the answer is something of the past, maybe we want to say some things to this person, some unresolved issues we have with our past person, and we just take it out on this person we are with. So if that is the case, that is the motive behind this relationship, we must think again whether we need this connection. So we need to be clear about the motives we have today towards this person, towards this relationship, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. So thank you guys for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye guys.